Hello friends, in this session I have discussed on breadth first search techniques in artificial intelligence. I have discussed all the key points which is related to breadth first search. First, I have discussed the main information which is related to breadth first search. Breadth first search is the most common search strategy for traversing a tree or graph. This algorithm search breadthwise in a tree or graph. So it is called breadth first search. BFS algorithm start searching from the root node of the tree and expand all successor node at the current level before moving to node of next level. The breadth first search algorithm is an example of a general graph search algorithm. Breadth first search implemented using FIFO-Q data structure. So here I explain the basic information about breadth first search algorithm. Now I have discussed a main key point of breadth first search algorithm. BFS has uninformed search algorithm. It follows FIFO-Q concept. It's move like shallowest node. It can provide a solution. It provide solution is optimal. So now I have explained this point one by one. First point is BFS has uninformed search algorithm. Means it search is a class of general purpose search algorithms which operates in brute force way. Uninformed search algorithm do not have additional information about state or search space other than how to traverse the tree. So it is called blind search. I explain uninformed search with example. First, I have follow heuristic search technique or informed search. I have start node S and goal node G and one of intermediate node A, which help start node S to reach goal node G. So in heuristic search, we can know in which cost we have reached S to A, and we can also know in which cost A has to reach in goal node G in advance. So this called informed search technique. But in uninformed search technique, we can only know in which cost we have reached start node S to intermediate node A. But we cannot know in which cost our intermediate node A is reached to goal node. And we can not know intermediate node can reach to goal node. So this technique is called a blind search or uninformed search. Second point is FIFO-Q. FIFO means first in, first out, and it uses data structure in queue, and queue has by default work in FIFO technique. I apply this FIFO technique in this tree. For BFS, in queue, we have insert element in tail side and remove the element in head side. Means first in, first out. So I explain this with example. So first we have insert A in the queue. Then if we have remove A from the queue, then we have only insert neighbor node or child node of A. So we have insert BCD element in the queue. Now we have removed B element from the queue and we have insert E and F element in the queue, because with the help of B node we can reach E and F node. So now we have C, D, E, F element in the queue. Now we have removed C element from the queue, and we have insert G, H element in the queue, because with the help of C node we can reach G and H node. So now we have D, E, F, G, H element in the queue. Now we have removed D element from the queue and insert I element in the queue. So we have E, F, G, H, I element in the queue. Now we have removed E element from the queue and insert J and K element in the queue. So we have F, G, H, I, J, K element in the queue. Now we have removed F element from the queue, and we cannot insert any element in the queue because F node does not any child node. So we have G, H, I, J, K element in the queue. Now we have removed G element from the queue and insert L element in the queue. So now we have H, I, J, K, L element in the queue. Now we have removed H element from the queue, and we cannot insert any element in the queue because it does not have any child. So now I, J, K, L element in the queue. Now we have removed I element from the queue and insert M element in the queue. So now we have J, K, L, M element in the queue. Now we have removed J element from the queue. We cannot insert any element because it does not have any child node. So now K, L, M element in the queue. Now we have removed K element from the queue and we have insert N element in the queue. So we have L, M, N element in the queue. Now we have removed L element from the queue. L does not have any child node, so we cannot insert any element. So now we have M, N element in the queue. Now we have removed M element from the queue. See here, N is last node in the tree. So we cannot insert any element. So this way FIFO queue is work. Now next point is shallowest node, means BFS algorithm search a goal node like neighbor wise, or we can say level wise. Means first it can check all the neighbor node in level 1, then it check level 2 neighbor node. Now next point is BFS provide a solution because it finds a goal node in level wise. So it definitely provide a solution. Like if our goal node is H, based on the figure, our direction to reach goal node is A to C and C to H, because H has parents node C and C has parents node A. Okay. Now next point is BFS provides optimal solution. For that, suppose if we have different cost to reach goal node like in figure, at that time it provide optimal solution because it search like shallowest node or neighbor node. So for that, it provides optimal solution. So thank you friends watching this video. I hope you have clear all the key points of breadth first search algorithm. Thank you.